Hey, it's Tom Galore, the videopreneur, and I'm at Bourbon RV, and this is extra cool. I've got two of the same RVs side by side, so I'm going to stand in the middle and shoot the campsite on one, the other's off-door side on the other, so you'll get a best of both worlds, and then we'll hop back in the inside. We're looking at a CrossRoads Cameo 3891MK. Here we go. So this CrossRoads Cameo 3891MK is parked right next to another one that is the exact same model. So I'll walk down the campsite of this one, showing you all the goodies. We've got two awnings, tandem axle, nice beefy tires, 3-year warranty, as you can see. And wait till you see the off camp side, or off door side. We've got a slide within a slide. So this is the off door side. You can see the pre-wire for backup camera, ladder to the rooftop. So we've got a slide there, we've got another slide, and then we have a slide within a slide. So I would say that's a super duper slide. So a total of 4 slides, automatic leveling, and let's climb inside and take a look. So it's a mid kitchen, rear living, front bedroom. Very nice height on the ceilings. So here's the dining room table. You can see we have a bench and it's secured. Extendable dinette table. Plenty of windows to let the light in. Theater seating with a remote caddy. 4 cup holders. So 2 for him, 2 for her. You also have your controls. Really like the fabric on this too. It's kind of a soft but durable material. LED lighting, cabinet space above, very deep cabinet space. Ceiling fan, AC unit, 36-inch fireplace. Here's where your TV would go. You have all your controls, pre-wiring for your television. Look how deep that is. Plenty of space for games, pillows, blankets, sheets. Let's back up and get a perspective. So we have a nice size center island. Let me show you the pantry first. Nice deep pantry. Plenty of room for your Quisp, Quake, Captain Crunch. We'll spin around to the island. Fully extendable drawers. Cabinet space galore. PEX tubing for your hot and cold. And I absolutely love these sinks. So this is a drip dry rack. Here's your cutting board. You have an additional cutting board, and a pro tip: only use one side of your cutting board for cutting. So this would be your clean side, this would be your cutting side, and never the two shall meet. That way it's always clean. That's a tip from my wife. Look at the depth on this sink. Stainless steel, high gauge stainless steel. Great rack here, or shelf here, for your vegetables to drip dry. And then you have the industrial shower nozzle. Well, let me button things up. Always want to leave the coach in as good a shape as we found it, if not better. That way the next person that comes in to look at it can enjoy it as much or more than we have. Solid countertops, more drawers, solid wood construction, ball bearing mechanism for the runners, very deep cabinets. Check out the nice microwave oven. And then you have the cabinet here for more of your cooking needs or utensils. We have a Samsung French door refrigerator unit. Open this up. So the French doors with the divider here, as well as the freezer drawer. Plenty deep. So you stock that up and you don't have to go to the store for quite some time. And now check out this Cook's Delight, or the Chef Dream. So the hood above is LED lighting as well as exhaust. Then we have the cabinet with the smoked glass. Really like this backsplash. I've seen it in a couple other units. I like the color, the texture. More cabinet space, very deep cabinets. Check out the oven. Thanksgiving's right around the corner. Put a turkey and a ham in there. Oh my. Look at the depth on that drawer. And then your 3-burner cooktop. Nice hardware. I'm just going to back up and show that one more time. This is a chef's delight. The meals that you would enjoy here. So we'll check out the control panel real quick and then we'll pop upstairs. So you have a nice cabinet here for jackets, and then your control panel for your tandem awnings and your LED lighting. Here we have the bathroom. You're in for a treat. This is where the goodies are. So if you remember outside, we had the various slides. A slide within a slide. So this is the slide, and then the master bed is in another slide. Dual bowl vanities. Then medicine cabinet that goes all the way through. Button things up here, and then we have a stand-up shower with a skylight and really nice hardware, so you can have it as a shower or a body massage. You have your glass doors that slide closed. You have 3 doors, I'm sorry. Your towel or linen cabinet. We'll go around this way through to the bedroom now and get a load of this. All I can say is wowee. So we have a flat screen TV, we have the fireplace, we have a dresser, a step up, you have some control panels, you also have your sunshades, so you can see, I'll back up, you can see left one down, right one up. You can see how much light it chokes off. So we'll go ahead and raise this up just to shed a little light on it. More drawers. And then get a load of this closet, pre-wired, pre-plumbed for washer and dryer. Your hang-up clothes can easily go here. Your shoe rack, folded up sweaters or sweatshirts. Really like the shelving units above the headboard for your cell phone and or CPAP. Additional storage here. Try not to slam that, break your eardrums. Let me back up and show you around again. What do you think of this unit? How do you like this floor plan? Do you think these steps would be problematic? I guess if you had too much fun in one evening, it may be an issue if you slept on that side of the bed. Leave a comment below what you think of this floor plan, what you think of this RV. Just take another spin through the bathroom, give you another perspective from this angle. We have exhaust fans, skylight. I don't think I showed you these cabinets. So another great place to store your bed linens, your towels. Just one last look at the bathroom. The contact information for Bourbon RV is listed below in the description. Give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button on your way out. But most importantly, leave a comment and let us know what you think of this RV and the job that we're doing. Are we bringing value to you? Thanks again.